Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We wake up very early in the morning. It's 6 o'clock, something like that. Yeah, we are over here in my garden, guys. Did you see it? That I have some fruit of the bitter melon, and even here also, guys. I didn't wrap by the plastic, even though if you are wrapping by the plastic, still that it has a worm inside and it becomes yellowish, the fruit, something like that. Now let's go here. It has some we are going to check the squash over here, guys, and look at if there are some flowers that bearing fruit. So let's go here. This is an update of my squash, guys. Look at that. Yeah, I have some fruit also that here. So we're going to roaming around here every morning. This is what I am doing, checking the fruit that bearing flower or flower that bearing fruit. Yeah, so that I could, oh, this one, it's not good. Look at that. So that would not become a good fruit. I guess this one, yeah, this one also, guys. So what I am doing is this one flower, I need to cut this flower. I cut it like that, and then what I am doing is I put over here like that to make it the fruit become healthy. Yeah, so oh, look at this. But there are some that become okay, just such as like that. But this one is already big, guys, but it become yellowish, so that one, that would not become a good fruit. You need to look at in some portion, guys. I don't know, this one probably that would become okay. That one also. Yes. Okay, this one, guys. Did you see it? This one, it has a fruit here. So I need to cut this one also. But I cannot cut it showing you guys because I am holding the phone. Here is it now. So what we're going to do is put over here something like that. It has a nice fruit here. Yeah, just like that. But I need to cut this one, guys. Yeah, it has no. And then we are looking for some flower that bearing fruit. This is what I let the teenager to work over here, guys. But well, look at that, it's getting growing now, unlike last time that you can tell it that, oh god, it's not healthy. Yeah, this, the soil over here are acidic, guys. So what I did for the soil over here is we put again what is this? Not a dirt that I put over here. It's not a dirt of a pig. It's a rice hay. Yeah, composed of rice hay. So I am checking if there is a fruit. No. So this is you need to do every morning so that the fruit will become healthy, guys. If you let the fruit without putting this one, it will gonna it will gonna become unhealthy, and it will gonna detach from the branches and die. It's something like that. I don't know this one. This one probably it's not healthy. I don't know if we're gonna become okay or not. But it's become yellowish, so it means soon that would be detached from the steam. Unlike this one, this earlier, yeah, that I see, I already put the, so look at that, it has a fruit. Oh, so if you are not putting this one, the fruit is not become healthy. I would love to buy a chemical which is the booster one, but I said this is organic garden, so I don't like to have a pesticide or boosting to become a lot of production. The disadvantages of this, guys, there are some wedges that I need to falling over here. Anyway, I need to check here also. So this is the old area before that I planted. So what are we going to do here is we need to spray again here the herbicide, and then I will gonna plant the new seeds of the squash here, guys. Okay, until here only, guys. It's too loud here. Bye, have a great day, and have a wonderful day. This is MK saying good morning. and have a blessed day. Bye.